lagi kita bersama Puff dari Squad Service Center. Hari ni dia bawa kita ke satu workshop yang banyak buat Honda. Dia sendiri Honda guy, okay? Dia sendiri Honda guy. And then dia akan tour kita di satu workshop, kawan dia punya workshop yang penuh dengan Honda juga. So Puff akan tour kita dua drag car, ada 2 biji kereta drag. Dia akan tunjuk kereta ni di workshop ni, alright? So stay tune bersama kami dan Puff akan tour kita. Jom. Kazuto Garage Online Store. Kini Kazuto Garage mengadakan kedai secara online. Kepada peminat-peminat Kazuto Garage, jangan lupa datang support Shopee Store kami ya. Dan anda boleh mendapat pelbagai merchandise original Kazuto Garage seperti t-shirt, stickers, barang-barang JDM dan lain-lain. Dan juga jangan lupa support TikTok, Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube channel Kazuto Garage, okay? Okay, Puff, can you show us these 2 drag car and explain a bit?
Okay, so we got 2 cars.
Alright.
Okay, this one first. Okay.
Alright, okay.
It was K24 turbo.
Okay.
Yep, and then
but now there's no engine. Okay. Alright.
The horsepower that he do 900 something.
Okay.
Yeah, and four-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive.
Yep.
Okay, as this is the one of the 4-drive gearbox, right?
Yep.
Oh, nampak gearbox ni kan nampak di kereta lain ah.
All-wheel drive.
So the engine they already take out. Is this is the engine?
I think this one.
Yeah, this is the engine.
Yeah.
Engine dah keluar, servicing. Wow, even this housing they make new. So what the car race for usually? This car is a drag. It's a drag.
Yeah.
So K24 4-wheel.
4-wheel drive.
Okay.
Yeah, all-wheel drive.
So the gearbox, the all-wheel drive is from the normal Honda gearbox?
Normal
or?
Honda.
Normal Honda?
Yeah.
Can?
H petrol.
Can?
Yeah, can.
Wow. It's from what car original? The H petrol, I mean the 4-wheel drive H series is from what car?
Oh, from what car?
Original.
DC5.
DC5 have 4-wheel?
Oh, not 4-wheel. I mean, sorry.
The engine is for
Engine DC5.
Okay.
The gearbox. Gearbox.
Custom?
Not custom. Oh, I forgot.
It's aftermarket, yeah?
Yeah. Something I forgot.
Yeah, but this is a K24 4-wheel, right?
4-wheel.
With turbo.
With the turbo.
So this car basically do the owner drive for normal driving or he just for
just for race.
Just for race.
Yeah.
Wow. Can we check out the interior?
Sure. The best time is 9.7, I think.
9.7 for quarter mile.
For the mile.
Well, the interior he do quite simple, just a simple roll cage.
Yes.
Like a street roll cage.
Yes.
And street seat.
Street seat.
Wow, but it's a fast car, man, with a dash.
Yeah.
Right. What gear shifter is this?
Hybrid.
Hybrid.
Racing.
Okay.
Yeah, hybrid racing.
So I think we found the turbo kit. The turbo kit is laying down here. So the turbo basically come out from the side.
Yeah.
This is the turbo kit, right?
Yes.
For the K24.
Yeah, from this car.
From this car.
Yeah.
Wah, besar gila ni. Nampak. And the rims, I see the rim very nice. What rim is this? I never see. It's a drag. Okay.
It's LED or something. I forgot. Yeah. Chrysler, sorry.
Okay. This very nice. It's a drag brand?
Yeah, drag brand.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Dia menggunakan endless caliper depan. Apa suspension dia guna? So kalau kita tengok Thailand punya setup dia memang canggih lah. Dia punya gearbox. Oh, everything quite normal inside cockpit.
Yes.
But everything outside in the engine bay, I think is very different. But especially this piece for the 4-wheel.
Yeah.
It looks so special. I'm not sure what gearbox they are using. So, but looks so special.
That one, gearbox.
Yeah, this is the gearbox.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the 4-wheel gearbox. Yeah.
Yep.
Seriously, I think from what car they are using? Looks like a K series, but the housing is different. Okay. And we got another drag car here?
Yeah. This one is two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive? Wow.
Two-wheel drive. Yeah.
Check out the engine, man. Crazy. Beautiful.
Look clean.
Yeah, very clean.
Yeah, and then this car might like 1,100. Oh, I mean 1,000 horsepower. Sorry.
1,000 horsepower. This one also turbo?
Turbo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Here, not only crazy about Vtec, they crazy about horsepower and Vtec, Vtec turbo some more. Oh, yeah. Sini untuk turbo,
yes.
But the turbo is already removed, yeah?
Yes.
Wow, check out the build, man. It's so beautiful. So this car also used for drag racing?
Drag racing and can drive some...
Street sometimes?
Yes, street sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, for this car.
We really check out the intake is so beautiful. It's CNC.
It's quite expensive.
Yeah, can see this is very expensive.
I got one in my shop.
This one also?
Yeah, also.
Wow.
Yeah.
So basically this one they do is for big horsepower, or why they do use this brand?
Big horsepower.
This horse, why?
Yeah, because the liter from the intake, you see it's quite big, right?
Yeah, it's very big.
Yeah, it's quite big.
It's the same size as the engine head.
Yeah.
Because usually it's much more smaller.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy. This is okay. This is 5-speed, yeah.
Yeah,
5-speed gearbox.
Yep.
Alright. Spoon caliper. Why Thai people like spoon products so much?
I think spoon is quite popular in Thailand.
Yeah, very popular. Yeah, we
Thailand.
see most of the people like using spoon everywhere. They want spoon cheap, but and it's good. Also branding.
Yeah.
Good or not, I'm not sure, but branding.
Okay,
yeah.
just okay.
Just okay, right? Yeah.
Because it's full pot.
Yeah. Okay. All right. But for me, I think even the OEM is same good as this one. The OEM, like maybe Nissan caliper. Yeah, maybe a bit heavy. Yeah. This one is light. So this one produced 1,000 horsepower.
Yes.
Have you raced before?
Yeah, but last time 800.
800.
Yeah, 800 with the quarter mile best time is around 11.2.
11.2.
Yeah, or 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So now they rebuilt, make to 1,000 horsepower.
Yes.
I wonder how the feeling sit inside a 1,000 horsepower Civic and drag. Crazy. This one is more like, oh, there are no seat inside yet, so they rebuild everything. Wheeler shifter. Okay. Cantik, nampak roll case kemas dia. Macam ni lah, tengok kereta pun puas hati ya. Oh, nampak? Okay, ini ada engine room. Nanti kita buat satu video lagi di sini. This one we keep for another video. Don't want to share to the fans first. See this one, sir. Okay, macam mana guys tentang dua Civic ini? Satu EK 2 pintu, satu EG 2 pintu. So, Puff dah tour kita jalan keliling tengok dua kereta ni. Apa pendapat anda? Okay, sila komen pendapat anda tentang dua biji kereta drag di sini, dan kita akan continue untuk anda untuk next video. Thank you, Puff.
Bye.